It's a pleasure to come your way with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this simple Ghana salad. To help the video go far, please like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment. So these are my prepped ingredients: lettuce, carrot, cucumbers or cucumbers, depending on where you attended your primary school. You either say cucumbers or cucumbers, and onions. Although simple, this salad can get you those extra points you've been looking for all your life. In the mixing bowl goes the lettuce, followed by the onions in no particular order. You can change the order I'm presenting here. So after the onions goes the carrots, and then the spring onions. Then you make sure that you combine them evenly. Yes, the lettuce is much more than all the other ingredients, so you have to make sure that they are evenly distributed, and you are good to go. Just any me pacha ne say salad we de enye chinchin bia ndu twitwa won haban ni wi a eno ane se wakeka bom se de be ya utikitua bia ubenya bibia bi. This order was for 100 packs of jollof. So after putting them in these beautiful containers, we added some baked beans and also mayonnaise on the side, after which we put them in the refrigerator, yes, until it was ready to be dispatched. Thank you so much for your time with me. If you should find the need to hire a caterer, don't forget to subscribe to my services. Thank you, and God bless you ahead of time.